Hello everyone and good day. Today we are from Group 1. We will gonna be presenting about the project of our integrated design project. Our group member is Ahmad Daniel, Amirul, and Davidson. This is the face of our group member. The first one is Ahmad Daniel, the second one is Amirul, and the last one is me, Davidson. Next, I will be talking about the objective of the integrated design project. This is the objective of integrated design project. As you can see on the slide here, we have three objectives. The first one is the objective of the integrated design project is to take a chance on making students explore the modern engineering tools. In this integrated design project, the tools that are focused is Omron PLC CP1E training kit, the CX programmer software for PLC programming, and ladder diagram construction. We also gonna connect the PLC with the DOL starter and forward reverse starter. The second objective is the integrated design project will consist of relay, timer, and counter instruction depending on the task given. Either normal, latching, or keep instruction will be used to solve the ladder diagram in CX programmer. We will choose the best option for our project. Either we will use the normal latching or the keep instruction. In this project, we will only use the normal latching. Okay, the third objective is the integrated design project merge two cores that is programmable logic circuit and electrical power lab. The DOL starter and forward reverse starter and PLC will be used to build the project. That's all from me.
So I'm going to continue my part. So before that, we want to show you our project video. It consists two category, which is dual and reverse forward. Started. Okay, the first one. Okay, this is our dual project. Okay, as you can see here, we test the push button first. Okay, what is about dual project is when we press the start button, the motor will remain on until we push the stop button. Okay, the other one is reverse forward. So I'm going to show you our reverse forward video. Okay, this is our reverse forward video. We test the push button forward and the reverse first to see which is our push button is working or not. Okay, after that, we turn on the three-phase motor. As you can see here, when we push the forward button, we wait until the timer of 5 seconds is triggered, and it will turn on the motor in a forward mode, forward rotation. And it will stop if we push the stop button. And after that, we push the reverse button. We wait until 3 seconds for timer to trigger, and the motor will remain on in a reverse mode, reverse rotation, until we press the stop button and it will stop. Okay, uh, so next I will present about case study. this is our case study. So we have two category here. First one is dual starter, and the second one is forward reverse starter. Okay, for dual starter, what we do is when we start the button, the start button is pressed, the SC motor will start and remain on until the stop button is pressed, as you can see in the video earlier. And the second one is forward reverse starter. When the forward button is pressed, the SC motor begin to rotate in the forward direction. The motor will rotate in opposite direction when the reverse button is pressed. The stop button will bring the motor to stop in either forward or reverse mode. The motor can be moved in either forward or reverse direction using an interlock system. The motor will start to rotate in forward direction after 5 seconds of pressing the forward button, and it will start to rotate in reverse direction after 3 seconds of pressing the reverse button. The stop button will bring the motor to stop in either forward or reverse mode. The motor can be moved in either forward or reverse direction using an interlocking system. So that's all from case study, and I will pass to my friend Amirul to continue his part. The setup. Okay, we have two experimental setup. First one is without PLC, and the second one is with PLC. Okay, this is the experimental setup without PLC. We use circuit breaker, contactor, and the last one we use push button. The second one is experimental setup with PLC. We use circuit breaker, contactor. We have PLC unit, relay unit, power supply, and the last one we use push button also. Okay, that's all from my part. I will pass to my friend Amirul. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I am Mirul bin Arifin. So I will elaborate about the discussion of our team. Okay, first, the discussion is preferred control system, and second is challenge with while constructing the system. So for the preferred control system, the preferred control system is the forward reverse control. This is because three-phase motors can be reversed by changing any two stator leads. Forward reverse controls employ interlocking to prevent both the forward and reverse coils from being energized at the same time. The normally closed forward contact connected in series with the reverse coil opens. This would prevent reverse coil from energizing if the reverse push buttons were to be pressed. So before the motor can be operated in reverse, the stop push button must be pressed to break the circuit to reverse coil. This will prevent the motor from being damaged before switching the direction of the motor. So the challenges while constructing the system. First, difficulty in connecting the PLC unit, the push button. Countless of trial and error during the process of wiring. Second, the wiring connection of the relay unit to work with the push button has to be planned truly, and a lot of troubleshooting has been done. Third is the construction of the ladder diagram of the normally closed or normally open push button, differences in the system and the software. Okay, so for the conclusion. So what we got when we go through on this project. As the conclusion, the project of the integrated design project was successfully done, and students were able to learn on how to use modern technologies like PLC programming and making a dual and forward reverse starter circuit. This experience is really valuable for the student in the future when the skill is needed in a certain modern industry. The basic of PLC programming, the ladder diagram, is also one of the skill that we're able to learn during the practice of the project. The knowledge of how doll and forward reverse starter circuit work to run a motor is also important and valuable knowledge for the student that took the course. So that's all from us. Thank you.
Betul doa saya.